The Summit C30ELBK All-In-One Kitchenette combines a compact refrigerator freezer, two electric burners, a sink, and storage into a single space-saving unit that works well for studios, offices, and guest suites. Its refrigerator section offers enough capacity for everyday essentials while maintaining energy-efficient performance, making it practical for long-term use in small living areas. The stainless steel countertop and sink with a tall faucet feel durable and easy to wipe clean, which is especially helpful in tight spaces where messes show quickly. Two coil burners with separate controls and indicator lights provide straightforward cooking capability, letting you boil, simmer, or reheat without needing a full-sized range. The black cabinet with stainless steel accents gives the kitchenette a modern finished look that blends more like built-in furniture than a temporary appliance. Because it arrives as a single, pre-assembled piece with standard grounded power cords, installation is simple for most users and does not require complex kitchen remodeling.